Right now, why do some Muslims rug burn their forehead in prayer? You know, you see some people and they've got like a whole, like a camouflage. They've got like a whole, I don't know, like a SWAT team operation going on their forehead. And you're like, what the hell has happened to your forehead? Did you, not even sandpaper, did you get one of those grinding machines and just, right? So now so people get these kind of burn marks because when they do sajdah, they will, like, let's say instead of doing, they'll go like, they'll start over here and then they'll start like rubbing across, burning their forehead. Now, this is nothing to do with Islam. Okay, this is ridiculous. It's a misunderstanding. It's a misconception. This is, in fact, let me tell you something. You know, the Salaf, people like Imam Qurtubi, they speak about this. He brings this in his tafsir under things like the verse وَسِيمَاهُمْ فِي وُجُوهِهِمْ. So Allah speaks about there will be people who believe in Allah and His Messenger, and you will see it in their faces. Simahum, that their kind of sign is in their faces. But what this meant was like a kind of radiance, a glow. It meant a sense of commitment. You will see the passion in their eyes. This is what it meant. So what some people understood this to mean is, oh, it meant the burnt forehead. Now, so in the time of the Salaf, they started to do this. So Imam Qurtubi brings a narration from some of the Tabi'een, right, and some of the Sahaba, who, so the Salaf, and I believe there's a particular one, I think it may have been a Tabi'i, so this is somebody who met the companions. He sees someone and they've got this big burnt out mark over there. So they used to refer to it as a rakbatul ba'ir, the kneecap of a camel. So he says to him that, what's this kneecap, camel's kneecap, doing? Lucky they never used another term, camel. But this camel kneecap, they said, what's this camel kneecap doing on your forehead? And right, so the person said, oh, this is because of my sajdahs, my prostration. So this guy says to him, Wallahi, I have reached 80 years of age. This is the Tabi'i saying to him, I've become 80 years old. Yeah. Like, I've met many great people before you, like as in, you know, from the Sahaba. None of them had this in their foreheads, he says. And he says to this person, he says, فَلَا أَدْرِي أَثَقُلَتِ الرُّؤُوسِ أَمْ خَشْنَةِ الْأَرْضِ. He says, the Lord knows, have the heads just got heavier? Or has the earth become harsher? Because those who went before you were so much more powerful, so much more, you know, so much more achieving in this deen, and they never had anything like this. So yeah, so these things, people avoid kind of burning your foreheads, and it's not a sign of piety. Cool. Let's